guys, Mossy5734 back with some crazy unboxings of some really cool limited edition GL racing cars, guys. And here we have another one. I did like the Huracan that I did in black and yellow, but that had sold out. But this wasn't too bad because there's chrome on the actual car as well. Okay, let's take it out of this little cake box, get it from the back, lift it up. Okay, what's interesting is the Ferrari one had an inlay card, but this didn't seem to have one. Right, the Ferrari one had, had an inlay card with the colours and stuff, but the Lamborghini one doesn't seem to have it, even though it's made in Italy as well. But anyhow, love deep dish wheels, can't drive them, how sad. But anyway, that could have done with just one more colour, I don't know what it is, but yeah, or a brighter colour. It's not bad. I like chrome stuff anyway, guys. But you're going to see that bad boy on the display stand, looking mad. And the Huracan's beautiful, guys. But yo, Kyosho, get ahead of the race, man. Bring out an Aventador, come on. Because GL Racing going to beat you to it, mate. Okay. Check that little bad boy out on the display stand with another little beauty from the archives. Okay. Let's move on. What do you think of that little bad boy, guys? Again, it's got a bit of nice chrome on it. I do prefer brighter colours though when it's black and chrome. I prefer to have like a bright orange, or they've got green, which isn't bad. But that red should, in my humble opinion, that red should have been a lot brighter, guys. But anyhow, still nice. It's got the logo. Ooh, don't fall. It's got the logo on the roof as well. Got a bit of chrome on the bonnet. Okay. And a bit on the back. Alright. And then obviously on the sides you can see it. So yeah, pretty cool. And again, I don't think I put light bulbs. No, you can't. Not in the back either. Nope. Pretty sad that. But anyway, let's get it on the display stand, guys, and have a wee look at this little bad boy. Okay, guys. So here you've got the GL Racing 1/28 scale Mini Z body. This is a Lamborghini Huracan. This is a limited edition body, guys. And so basically it's made for the Mini Z MR03, the Atomic BZ3 MRT, and the GLA GLR-GT. Okay, so it's made for a few platforms. I like that, guys. I like GTs anyway, guys, in all Mini Zs. I think they're the best looking cars out there. But I definitely like limited edition stuff. I like stuff that's got a different type of flair. That's why custom cars are usually my favourites. So, in line with all the Lamborghini naming, guys, they've named this after a bull. It's a Spanish word for hurricane, is basically a hurricane. And that was a famous bull, supposedly, guys. Again. So yeah, so this was the successor to the Gallardo. It made its worldwide debut in 2014 in the Geneva Auto Show. Okay, and it's released in the market in 2014, second quarter. So one thing I always wasn't sure about, because I loved my Murcielago, guys, but I always had LP. I never understood the LP. So this car is an LP 610-4, and that designation basically means, guys, it's got 610 metric horsepower and it's four-wheel drive. So 610-4, that's what it means. I didn't have a clue. And the LP stands for longitudinal posterior, if I said that right, which basically stands for the longitudinal mid-rear engine position. So yeah, so they're not just random names, guys. There's some method behind the madness, which is pretty cool. So Lamborghini, guys, always tend to name cars after famous bulls or famous breeders of bulls. So yeah, pretty cool. This is a 5.2 litre naturally aspirated Audi/Lamborghini V10 engine. So I didn't realise that Audi is basically the parent company, because a lot from what I read before is that the chassis are made in Germany and then transported to Italy, and then the rest of the assembly is completed in Italy. So yeah, pretty cool. Something that I like looking at, guys, on these cars is the road test measurement. This is for the LP 610-4. It does 0 to 60 in 2.5 seconds, which is faster than the Ferrari 488, which was 3 seconds. It does 0 to 186 miles an hour in 27.6 seconds, 0 to a quarter mile in 10.4 seconds, and the max speed is 212 mile an hour, whereas what I believe the 488 was 234 if I remember correctly. So yeah, still rapid guys, still a machine, still a beast. Okay, now there's loads of versions guys, whole heaps of versions of the Huracan. They've got the Huracan LP610 for, which is a coupe version released in 2014-2019. Then the Huracan LP610 for Spider. They've got the Huracan LP580 -2, so that must mean 580 metric horsepower, and 2 must stand for two-wheel drive, according to what I've just read about it. So yeah, they've got the Huracan LP580-2 Spider, right? Huracan LP640-4 Performante. The Huracan LP640-4 Performante Spider. The Huracan Evo, and that's basically till present day. That was made in 2019 and it's still continuing till this day. Huracan Evo Spider, again carrying on till now. Huracan Evo rear wheel drive, 2020 till now. Huracan Evo rear wheel drive Spider, again 2020 till now. Huracan STO, and that was made in 2021 till now. And the Huracan Technica, which is made in 2022 and it's still getting made. They made a Huracan Polizia, which I think is pretty cool guys. So basically they made a police car, a 610-4 police car, so it's 4-wheel drive. And yeah, Mini Z, yo Kyosho, make one of them. Make that car. It's got a kind of a faint blue and white, and I think that's pretty funky as a Mini Z. Anyhow, the Huracan LP610-4 Avio, Huracan LP580-2. Now check this out. Pope Francis. They made a version and donated it to the Pope. Anyhow, on to the next one guys. Get subscribed, get ready for the upcoming cool unboxings. Okay.